want to be fully prepared for your next visit to Sydney? Good news, you found the right video. Sydney is a fantastic city with a lot to see and do. There is something for everyone, from lively events and vibrant nightlife to beautiful beaches and a variety of culture. In this video, we will share 5 things you must know before visiting Sydney. Make sure to watch all the way to the end so you don't miss any of our advice for this lovely city. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications if you haven't already. Also, feel free to share your own Sydney stories or ask a question in the comments section below. Let's get started with the Sydney tip. 1. The sun is incredibly strong. Believe us, you don't want to be the pale-skinned Brit strolling around town in a tank top and no sunscreen, eager to get some sun and work on your summer tan. You'll burn, it'll hurt, and you'll be wandering around town for the next week as your skin tries to shed its upper layers in the most ugly way possible. The sun shines brighter in Australia than everywhere else on the planet. You'll feel the burn after just a few minutes of exposure to the sun's rays. If you don't take care, even on a cloudy day, you could easily turn into a particularly unpleasant shade of lobster red. 2. Bondi is not the best beach in town. Bondi Beach may be the poster child for Sydney's beaches, catering to the hipster coffee-drinking crowd and boasting a roster of world-famous lifeguards. It's also a popular tourist destination, so you'll have a hard time finding a sand patch to fit your towel into on a bright Saturday afternoon. Sydney's beaches are arguably one of the city's best assets, with over 100 lengths of fluffy golden sand bordering the coastline, and there are plenty more waterside locations where you won't have to struggle for a spot among the crowds. 3. Travel is cheapest on Sundays. You'll likely rack up quite a travel cost if you're traveling the city at all hours of the day and night, hopping from bus, train, and boat to your heart's desire. Travel on Sunday is capped at $2.50 all day on any form of transportation, so delay the most expensive trips, like the harbour boat, or an out-of-city rail ride, until then if you're on a budget. Pick up an Opal card for public transportation from any news agency, and download the TripView app for schedules and live tracking on all routes. 4. Don't miss out on the nature around Sydney. Tired of being surrounded by concrete? That's exactly how we felt after a few days in Sydney. That's why we were very glad that the city is surrounded by national parks, providing enough chances for outdoor activities. Climb the tallest cliffs, look for quiet beaches, or go on a trek through the eucalyptus groves. If the city isn't your thing, a train journey away there's enough to do, like the wonderful Blue Mountains. 5. Sydney is the perfect starting point for a road trip through Australia. Sydney is the perfect place to start your Australian road trip. It has a large international airport and Australia's most popular backpacker route, right on its doorstep. Surf your way to Byron Bay, dive the Great Barrier Reef, and visit Daintree National Park's rainforests. There are numerous free camping or parking spaces along the major backpacker trail, as well as free amenities on many of the beaches along the way. Now it's time to start packing and make Sydney your next dream destination. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for taking the time to watch.